Welcome. In front of me I have Apple Watch Series 11 and I'm gonna show you how to add the workout to the workout list on this watch. Okay, first let's open the workout app. To do it, wake up the screen by tapping on it, then press the crown button to open the menu, and in the menu find the workout icon and tap on it. And here we have the list of workouts. And this list by default is quite limited, maybe not limited, but there's only fewer workouts on it. And if you want to add something that you don't see here, you can scroll down, tap on plus button, and here tap on add workout. Now you can scroll through the list of workouts, find the workout you would like to add, for example bowling, and then tap on it, tap on OK, and the bowling will be added to the list of workouts. And now you can simply start it by tapping on start button if you want to. Okay, and once you're done you can press the crown button, and that's how you add the workout to the workout list on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.